So another great thing that you just pointed out, I have been thinking about that quite a bit lately. I didn't know that was, that was a possibility. I guess I struggle with just the prompts itself, and how to put it into, say, like a LinkedIn versus a presentation versus a product flow. Like, and so that's why I was asking earlier, is there such thing as a cheat sheet, a prompt cheat sheet that can kind of help you navigate what it is that you're trying to achieve?
Yeah, I've been thinking of creating something like that. I mean, my goal with the stuff that I've created was to eliminate the need for prompt engineering altogether. So it's like
Right up. Yeah, yeah, that's amazing, dude.
um, the challenge that I have, to be honest, is that most people don't think that's possible, and it's like I keep seeing all these guys, all these people sharing like cheat sheets or sharing like this is my favorite prompt, and I'm like, you don't even need that.
But okay, but this is my point. This is my point, right? Because there's a lot of cheat sheets that are floating around LinkedIn. I mean, all over the place,
Yeah,
and a lot of it seems very unnecessary. And what you just illustrated seems very concise. It seemed too simple, dude. And I didn't want to throw it out there as being simple, especially when you'd put so many hours into it. But at the same time, it's like perhaps you did create simplicity, within chat, which is
yeah, yeah.
ugh.
And so now I'm trying to think about where this goes. I think that, it's exciting to think about taking this type of approach and then creating, complete complex documents and stuff. That's the type of stuff that I want to do next.
Yeah, I think that's pretty
Like
incredible.
like sequencing things together in a kind of agentic workflow where you don't have to do anything.
Well, I mean, that's a whole other rabbit hole that I'm certainly not prepared to go down. But like sequencing is fascinating to me. Like I would really love to figure that out within chat.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, you're putting in the work, man. I love it. Thank you.
Well, thanks. Thank you. It's it's I'm I'm excited to see that you're engaged and interested in this stuff. You never know.
You never know. People get weirded out by it, but honestly, I mean, this is obviously the way of the future, right? Like you got to get on. You got to get on the bandwagon.